Hello everyone, I am Kajol Chaudhary, a final year student of JNU College of Physiotherapy. I am here to present my topic, the role of mental imagery in enhancement of sports performance. Mental imagery is a fundamental cognitive process for producing motor action and a performance enhancing technique widely used in many fields. It is involved with motor skills performance, including the concept of functional equivalence and neural plasticity. The areas of brain activation during the imagery should be as similar as possible to those active during execution of the desired outcome. Imagery is also a mental technique that can be refined with practice and utilized in many ways. It is a well-known performance enhancing strategy and extensively used in applied fields, particularly sports, dance, and exercise psychology. Athletes who image poor imagery ability are usually either excluded or provided with training exercise to facilitate their imagery generation. There are basically 6 types of imagery. They are visual, kinesthetic, auditory, olfactory, organic, and gustatory. Visual imagery pertains to graphics, visual scenes, or sense of sight. Kinesthetic imagery pertains to movements. It focuses on the basic movements for the player in which he or she is going to perform. Auditory imagery. It pertains to sounds, noises, or sense of hearing. Olfactory imagery. It pertains to odors, scents, or sense of smell. Gustatory imagery pertains to sense of taste. And organic imagery, it pertains to personal experiences of character's body and sense of hunger, fatigue, and pain. What is the effect? Imagery contributes to brain reorganization. Imaging, making movements might exercise the relevant brain areas, which in turn facilitate the performance. Through this activation, neurons responsible for the movement are likely to be more prepared to correctly activate during the movement. The main working of this imagery is movement imagery duration is similar to the time it takes to execute that same movement. When learning a new motor skill, various changes are thought to occur in the brain, including strengthening neuronal connections and new cell formation. And this reorganization is termed as plasticity. Imagery is also used as a supplement to physical practice to facilitate neuroplastic alteration obtained by further activating the brain areas which are particularly involved in those particular activity. Imagery activates and strengthens mental representations which are responsible for actual performance of the movement. Neurons responsible for movement execution are likely to be more prepared to activate correctly. Functional equivalence can be increased at representational level by having images as congruent as possible to the movement to be performed. So the basic model which is used is the Petlep model, which maximizes the potential for the overlap in neuronal activation between real and imaged behaviors. The constituents of the Petlep models are physical, environment, task, timing, learning, emotion, and perspective. By physical, we mean to say the body position or any clothing which the player is wearing at the particular time. It will help to gain his performance. Environment, in which particular environment he or she is going to be playing. Task, characteristic, that means how the task should be performed by the player. Timing, it basically consists of time duration. Learning, the learning ability of the player. Emotion, to feel positive in response to situation, to be confident, not to be nervous. This can be taught while the imagery is being done. And perspective, mostly visual perspective is adopted. Individuals can elicit feelings during imagery of hypothetical competitive situations, mirroring those experienced pre-competition. An individual's capability to image doesn't fully develop until the age of 14 years. The basic procedure of this is, most common method is to use self-report questionnaires, with the two most popular and well established being the VMIQ2 and MIQ-R, to measure the visual and kinesthetic ability. Video modeling has been commonly employed to aid image generation in applied settings. So, to conclude this, the relevance of this is, within sports imagery can be used for many different tasks, from mental rehearsal to correcting mistakes and past performance accomplishments. It improves motor performance and motivational outcomes, including self-efficacy. Here with this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.